Kao što ste rekli u jednom predavanju, niste htjeli ignorirati gustoću samog prostora. Pa onda, kada pričamo o brojkama, koliko je zapravo gust taj prostor?
It's extremely dense. The structure of the vacuum at the quantum level is very much energetic, extremely energetic. Einstein noticed it, Wheeler noticed it, many others, and the numbers are extremely large. So, for instance, because the little oscillators are Planck size, so the Planck size comes from the Planck constant. It's a little energy, packet of energy. Einstein called it a photon of energy, right? And these little packets of energy at the Planck scale are teeny, very, very, very small. So that if I grew one of the little Planck-sized packet so that it would be a grain of sand, then all of a sudden the proton would be from here to Alpha Centauri, which is about 40 trillion kilometers. So you can imagine it's very small. So if you calculate how many of these little packets of fluctuations of the vacuum, electromagnetic fluctuations, are inside the structure of space-time, in a centimeter cube of space, you get 10 to the 93 grams per centimeter cubes of this Planck energy. It's huge because the density of the universe, like if you take all the stars in the universe and you squish them into a centimeter cube, you would have 10 to the 55 grams per centimeter cube. You still would be missing 39 zeros, to get to the density of the vacuum, how dense the vacuum is, and in a centimeter cube.